Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome to my subscribers. In this video, I would like to cover the anamorphic lens for a moment. After 2 orders and 6 months of wait, I have finally received it. I'm very excited to be able to test this out and see what the hype is all about, and really can we get cinema scope, cinema quality kind of quality in video recording on mobile phones. So the video will follow, but first let's do a quick unboxing. So because I change phones basically all the time, and specifically I am driving a S24 Ultra and a Sony Xperia 1 Mark V. Love both phones. Video quality is really nice, and I'll be doing a full comparison and showing you the quality of the video with S-Cinetone and the HDR of the S24, etc. So we will cover all that. So I first wanted to do a hardware unboxing and see, for those of you interested. So I've got the universal mount. So Moment has already custom cases, for example. So like this is my S24 Ultra case, but Moment have their own cases that you can directly put on your phone, and then they have a cutout here with the equivalent of these holes where you can take the lens and then just screw it on. So I didn't get that because I've got 2 different phones and I'm using different phones all the time. So I wanted to see how good this adapter works. The universal lens mount works on different phones, and these 2 are very popular phones. So I'm guessing that if some of you are interested to get also maybe an anamorphic lens, maybe Moments, see how well this would work. So let's have a look. So I'm going to unbox the mount first. Let's have a look. So first of all, it comes in nice packaging from Moment. Right here you have the explanation and, for example, how you can put this on. So let's see. This is it. All right, so let's put this to the side. First impressions, it's sturdy, it's a bit metallic in the feel. It looks quite wide, definitely, so it will accommodate easily. Just gonna bring this up to show you. As you can see, it's quite thick here, so I think without any problem, it will be able to accommodate both phones. And it has, it has a slight rubbery coating right here. Sorry, right here, where it will touch the screen. So that's good. So it won't mark your screen. I think it would be better if you have a screen protector on, then that way you're sure to not have any issues. All right, so this looks good. So let's try it on. So we'll try this on first with the Xperia. So one of the things, right, is this will mount like so, right? And this is how it's going to be. And I'm just going to now screw this on. I'm going to tighten this up. So let's have a look. Yep, this is tightening it. So there you go, like that. Just aligning it and tightening it. Gently, obviously, otherwise you don't want to crack your screen. There you go. So this should be tight enough. So there you go. It's right here. This is how it looks. Okay, so now I'm just going to put this to the side. Let's look at the start of the show, the anamorphic lens. So I have the 1.33 and I took the gold flare. So let's have a look. Let's have a quick look at the box. So it's just telling you a bit about what this cinema scope lens, 240 by 1 aspect ratio. So yeah, let's have a look. Right. So what do we have in the box? Let's see. So we have a nice little case here, a little pouch, and that's about it. So to remove lens, rotate 90 degrees. Okay. So we've got a nice little pouch. This is great. They've also added the cap. I think you could also order extra ones. I wasn't too sure if they were going to include a lens cap. They have, and oh, by the way, just in case, this is the T series. If you have a phone that is after 2021, so any smartphone generally, I'm speaking specifically for Android. I don't know about iPhones, but for 2021, you want to go for the T series lens, because this lens is 20% bigger in size, and the hole right here of the lens that you see will be able to accommodate the bigger camera lenses that you have. So for example, I'm taking the S24 here. So these lenses are bigger since 2021 on the phones, generally on average. So you want to get the T series, do not get the M series. All right, having said that, so the build is really good. Let's take off the cap. Okay. And yeah, this is the lens, and it looks really, really nice. I've got a window on my right-hand side. Let's see if we can have some kind of, you can see the gold light effect when the light comes into the lens. So let's have a look here on the quality. It feels really nice. It's totally metallic. Great job here in terms of craftsmanship moment. So let's have a look also at the instruction manual that come with it. So there's pretty much a 3-step process, a 4th one if you want to use the Moment app to de-squeeze the CinemaScope format of the film that will be produced with this lens. So with the pouch, you have this key that will enable you to, as they say, to further align the orientation. So let me just, put this in focus. So step 3, to adjust the lens orientation, use the hex tool to release the bayonet, rotate the lens, and tighten the screw. So if we look at the lens right here, you have the hex tool right here. And this is once you will turn it on and you will put the lens on the camera, you will be able to fine tune it. There's a small hole here in which you're going to put the tool and you're going to twist it to further optimize it. There you go. And let's now put this on. And this adapter is really nice. I mean, I really like the design, the feel. I don't know how it's looking to you guys. Do let me know, but to me looks really nice, the whole feel. And to latch this on, you have this, what we call this bayonet kind of system, where you just you have these 2 hinges right here, one here and one on the other side, and you just put this, align them, and normally it's just a matter of turning this around like so, and it's set. All right, now it adds a bit of heft onto the device, but it's fine, absolutely fine. And yeah, looks good. Let me do a quick let me remove this and let me check this out also on the S24 Ultra for those of you interested to get this for the S24. So here's my S24 Ultra a bit. So there are 2 possibilities to put it. You could just put it like so, like this. So it's fitting pretty well like that. Or you could just, put it like this. The advantage of this would be that you wouldn't be covering, in this mode, you're covering the telephoto here. So maybe not the best option. You can put it like that. But in both cases, actually, you're going to be covering cameras. So anyways, I mean, in case you wanted to go from using the anamorphic lens and then quickly switching to the other one. So I guess maybe this option with the ultra wide and the wide is best. It will depend, but let's go for it like this way. So once again, if you have a screen protector, you see, I'm going to be now tightening this here. Like so. There you go, right there. Don't put it too tight, but I have a screen protector on, so I'm less worried. There is a kind of soft coating right here where it touches the screen. You can see it right there, but still I would personally would go with a screen protector. If you can, that would be better. So just realigning it a bit. There you go. I've aligned this and just putting the lens on now. There you go. And voila. All right, and it fits also pretty well the phone. Now, one thing, obviously, because I will not be using it like this. I mean, most likely I will not be using it without my phone case. So let's take this off and test it also with the phone case, because I just do not use my phones without cases. Otherwise, they would be destroyed very, very quickly. Okay, so this is the S24 Ultra with a Cairo case. So let's open this up again a bit. There you go. And I'm going to go like that with this time. So it's fitting okay onto the case, which is great, which is fantastic actually, because that way you have full protection pretty much everywhere. And now let's put on, so I have now yep, there you have it. Awesome. This looks great, very sturdy. Awesome, feels good. All right, guys, this was the unboxing. I hope you liked it. I hope it brought some answers. I really hope now the quality of the video will be good. So stay tuned, guys, for my next video on where I'll be doing videos on both with the Xperia 1 Mark V and the S24 Ultra. But I'm really looking forward to this. All right, guys, take care as always and stay safe.